Well, not the only announcement today from the governor. He also proclaimed April Child Abuse Prevention Month and shared how Nebraska is focusing on that.
We're working very, very hard with members of the unicameral for school funding and transformative funding and special education funding, and all these things are going to be a part of strong prevention to make sure no kid has a problem.
One place where families can find resources and support is bringupnebraska.org. If you've noticed blue pinwheels around, it's part of an effort by Project Harmony to raise awareness about child abuse. 3 News Now reporter Ron Johnson looked at local case numbers and what's happening to bring them down.
Project Harmony says pinwheels symbolize childhood innocence.
Just be on the lookout because they're everywhere.
This month, they're popping up all across the metro. They may be small, but they're spreading a big message.
Pinwheels are being planted in order to bring awareness towards child abuse.
The nonprofit works with child abuse victims every day, and they're sharing sobering statistics. Last year alone, Project Harmony helped more than 8,000 child abuse victims in our area. Of that number, 37% were sexually abused, 11% were neglected, 7% physically abused, and another 4% witnessed violence. Deputy Director Michelle Bang says the pandemic's impact brought reported cases down, but
the intensity of the child abuse was higher. So some things that we hadn't seen before, the level of abuse that was happening for those children was higher. And the reason why it was underreported is they weren't in school anymore.
She says school teachers are oftentimes the first reporters of abuse. While she says reports are starting to stabilize, the nonprofit continues to address the needs of child abuse victims. If seeing these pinwheels inspires you to help, they say the best thing to do is to become a volunteer.
Our volunteers have a wide variety of roles here at Project Harmony. Some of them help with admin support, some of them help with support group childcare, and some of them even just help with organization. And so their role is to really support our staff and help our staff have a deeper impact with our clients.
For more information on how you can become a Project Harmony volunteer, go to their website. It's projectharmony.com and click on the Get Involved tab. Now, as for these pinwheels, there's 12,000 of them all across the metro. You'll be sure to see them everywhere along your daily commute. If you suspect child abuse is happening, there are resources for you to reach out to in both Nebraska and Iowa. We'll have the numbers up on your screen. In Omaha, Ron Johnson, 3 News Now.